Today I will share a story. Maybe that will impact your thoughts. So, what is the story? The story is about a baby elephant. Maybe many of you have heard this story, or some of you maybe not. So, the story is like that a baby elephant was sold to a circus company. So the baby elephant was left in a large, means an abrupt situation. There it was not accustomed, and the baby elephant also was separated from its mother. And then the baby elephant was entangled to a peg. Peg means stick or pillar, anything, and entangled means the baby elephant was chained. Then what happened? Baby elephant tried again and again to uncircle or to break the chain, but maybe the chain was very strong or more stronger than the baby elephant. Then the baby elephant became accustomed. Days passed, baby elephant grew up. Then he left to try to unshackle the chain, because then he accustomed with it. He gave up, and a strong belief built in its mind that it was impossible to break the chain. Years rolled, and he never tried, or it never tried. Similarly, we are feeling the same. We are thinking, or our limitations, we believed that our limitations, we are limited to some extent. But we are not baby elephant. We have mind, we have sense. We should push ourselves, that we will not like be the baby elephant of the circus. So we will break these limitations, the mind limitations, that we can't do that, it is not possible for me. And how? By learning and gaining the right knowledge. So break your chain, break your limitations, and go forward. See you in the next video. Bye bye.